Hi! In front of me is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off this VIVO's location. Begin by opening Tab menu. Following that, you need to look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see in this pop-up, when I select close, location is now off. If you wish to switch it back on, just click on the same shortcut again. You can also just go into settings instead, scroll down and choose location section. Then tap on this switcher at the top to disable or enable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!